Greetings, welcome to another how-to guide video for Cloak. Today, let me guide you through the use of our web apps QLink. QLink allows you to cloak a file using a web browser on your office laptop without the need for software installation or logging in. Moreover, your Cloak keys are securely stored on your mobile phone instead of the web browser. First, open any browser and head to cloakapps.com. You'll be automatically brought to our QLink page. Drag and drop any file you would like to cloak and proceed by clicking on the Continue button. Once the file is ready, click Continue once more. A QR code will be generated. You will now need to head to your mobile app. On your mobile app, tap on the QR icon on the top right. Next, tap on Scan QR to scan the QR code on your web app. After scanning, tap Cloak and Share to add recipients, or just cloak file to cloak the file for your own use. When you see this page, your file would have been successfully cloaked on the browser. You can head back to the browser and click on the download button to download your Cloak file. With that, you have successfully cloaked the file using QLink. Thank you for using Cloak.